Hiring a nanny can be a lifesaver, but have you ever stopped to consider what actually goes into paying them legally? It's not just handing over cash. There are taxes, deductions, and a whole lot of compliance to navigate. If the thought of becoming a household employer and dealing with nanny taxes sends shivers down your spine, you're not alone. Many families find themselves overwhelmed by the complexities of payroll for their domestic employees. But what if there was a way to simplify it all, to ensure you're compliant without dedicating hours each week to calculations and paperwork? Today, we're diving deep into SurePayroll, a popular payroll service, to explore how it can make nanny payroll setup and ongoing management a breeze, and what it's truly going to cost you. When you hire a nanny, you're not just hiring help. You're becoming an employer. This comes with significant responsibilities, much like any small business owner. The IRS classifies nannies and other household workers as employees if you control what work they do and how it's done. This means you're responsible for withholding and paying Social Security and Medicare taxes, also known as FICA taxes, as well as potentially federal and state unemployment taxes, FUTA and SUTA. If you pay your nanny $2,800 or more in 2025, FICA taxes apply. If you pay $1,000 or more in any calendar quarter, federal unemployment taxes also come into play, and you'll likely owe state unemployment taxes as well. Ignoring these obligations isn't just a minor oversight. It can lead to hefty penalties, back taxes, and a whole lot of stress down the line. We're talking about potential IRS audits, fines, and interest for missed deadlines or incorrect filings. Beyond the financial implications, properly paying your nanny ensures they receive vital benefits like Social Security and unemployment compensation, which is the right thing to do as a responsible employer. So, the question isn't if you should handle nanny payroll properly, but how to do it efficiently and accurately. This is where payroll services like SurePayroll step in. They specialize in simplifying the complexities of household employment, taking the burden of calculations, tax filings, and compliance off your shoulders. But before we get into the nitty-gritty of SurePayroll specifically, let's quickly recap the fundamental steps involved in setting up nanny payroll, whether you do it yourself or use a service. First, you need to obtain an Employer Identification Number, EIN, from the IRS. This is your federal tax ID, essential for all your tax reporting as an employer. It's free and can be done online. Next, you'll need to register with your state. Each state has its own requirements for employers, often involving creating an unemployment insurance account. Then, there's the crucial paperwork. Your nanny needs to complete Form I-9 to verify their eligibility to work in the U.S., and Form W-4 to determine federal income tax withholding. You'll also need to file a new hire report with your state. And throughout the year, you'll be responsible for calculating and withholding the correct amounts for FICA taxes, 6.2% for Social Security and 1.45% for Medicare, each from both employee and employer, meaning a total of 15.3% of wages up to the Social Security wage base, and potentially federal and state income taxes. Plus, there are quarterly tax filings, like Form 941 or 944, and annual obligations like issuing Form W-2 to your nanny and filing Schedule H with your personal tax return. Sounds like a lot, right? It truly is, and that's why many families turn to a dedicated service. Now, let's focus on SurePayroll. SurePayroll, backed by Paychex, is a cloud-based payroll service that offers a specific solution tailored for household employers, including those employing nannies. Their aim is to automate and streamline the entire process, giving you peace of mind and freeing up your valuable time. So, how does SurePayroll for nanny payroll setup actually work? The process is designed to be user-friendly, guiding you through the necessary steps. Setting up your SurePayroll nanny account. Gather your information. Before you even log into SurePayroll, have all your essential employer information ready. This includes your newly acquired EIN, your personal contact details, and if applicable, your spouse's information. Input nanny details. You'll need your nanny's full legal name, address, Social Security number, and their banking information if you plan to use direct deposit. You'll also input their agreed-upon pay rate, hourly or salary, and your desired pay schedule, weekly, bi-weekly, etc. Tax withholding information. SurePayroll will walk you through entering the information from your nanny's completed Form W-4 to ensure accurate federal income tax withholding. They also assist with state tax registration and calculations, which is a huge benefit given the varying state regulations. Onboarding documents. While SurePayroll automates much of the tax filing, you'll still need to ensure your nanny completes Form I-9. SurePayroll often provides guidance on these initial HR-related steps. They also handle the new hire reporting to your state, a crucial compliance step. Setting up payment method. You can typically choose between direct deposit, which SurePayroll facilitates, or printing checks yourself. Direct deposit is often preferred for its convenience and security. Review and activate. Once all the information is entered, SurePayroll allows you to review everything before activating your payroll service. They aim for a quick and straightforward setup. One of the key advantages of using SurePayroll for your nanny is their handling of the tax burden. They automatically calculate all federal and state payroll taxes, including Social Security, Medicare, FUTA, and state unemployment taxes. Critically, they then file these taxes on your behalf with the appropriate government agencies and deposit the funds, ensuring you meet all deadlines. This full-service aspect is what truly saves you from the headaches of understanding complex tax codes and remembering quarterly and annual due dates. They also provide signature-ready Schedule H for your annual tax filing. Beyond the initial setup and automated tax management, SurePayroll offers ongoing features that simplify your life as a household employer. Unlimited payroll runs. You can run payroll as often as you need, accommodating flexible schedules or bonus payments. Direct deposit. This eliminates the need for physical checks and provides your nanny with fast, secure access to their earnings. Online access to pay stubs and reports. Your nanny can access their pay stubs online, and you can view comprehensive payroll reports at any time, simplifying record keeping. Year-end tax forms. SurePayroll prepares and provides your nanny's W-2 form and your Schedule H, making tax season significantly less stressful. Customer support. SurePayroll is generally well regarded for its customer support, which can be invaluable when you have questions about specific payroll situations or tax nuances. Many users praise their responsive US-based support team. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.